Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Pushpalatha. I am from Atlanta, Georgia, USA. I am here in the Pyramid Valley for the first time. My experience here in the Pyramid Valley, the moment we entered inside the gate, we stepped outside. I felt that like every time, like as a devotional person, whenever we go to Tirumala, when we get first time we go outside, it was so serene. I really had that connection when I first got out of my car. I feel like wow, it feel like Tirumala. That is what my first experience. And then after that we came here, did the meditation in King Chamber. Before that I have to say something, like we went to eat food, and then that's the first sight I saw the pyramid here. The first feeling I got is like very, I don't know, I mean it's directly connected. I feel like earlier, like I used to see a big gopurams of temple. That's when I feel like wow, that the same kind of a feeling I got the first time when I saw the pyramid. And then we went inside. It was so great, serene. The King Chamber experience is like, it's not 3x, it's more than 3x I should say. A meditation under pyramid is 3 times more, that's what everybody knows. But my experience is like whatever the problem I was going through, I think I got the solution for that problem. And it is the high vibrations. And I brought my family also with myself. They are the first time. They don't have any experience about, they have not done meditation before. But their experience is, oh, I feel like the first it was like little bit hard, and then there is no, not such kind of any of that. They said like I felt very high vibrations the first time people. That was great. And then it's the rooms we are staying, the nature here. When I sat on the ground, I really feel that the connection with the Mother Earth. It is so great. I would definitely, given a chance, like I wanted to spend more time here. And last but not least, the Annadanam. Very high energized food. I feel like the food is also like very served with love, served with good intentions. I feel like the food is also so great. It's been so long that I had to quit some food because of some restrictions I have. So here I am eating like without any restrictions, without any blocks. I am eating whatever I want. So much thankful to the Patri sir and all of the volunteers here, and every tree, every grass here, I feel like so serene, so calm, so energized, with so many people meditating here. Very great. Thank you so much.